Students, today we are going to learn about comparison of two surds. So here, before comparison, I will give you one example. Suppose a and b are two positive integers. If a is less than b, then a multiplied by a is less than b multiplied by a. That means we are multiplying by the same number. So there is no need to change the sign. So a square is less than ab. Similarly, we can say AB is less than B square. So A multiplied by B is less than B multiplied by B, and hence AB is less than B square. So A square is less than AB, and which is less than B square, which implies A square is less than B square. We are going to use this property in solving the example of comparison between two surds. Okay, so now here we want to compare 6 root 2 and 5 root 2. So 6 root 2 can be written as root of 36 multiplied by root of 2. And whether it is smaller, greater, we don't know the relation. So 5 root 2 can be written, 5 root 5 can be written as root of 25 multiplied by root of 5. Nothing is here, no sign is here, that means the sign of multiplication is there. 72, root 72 a, and here another is root 125. 36 into 2, 72. 25 into 5, 125. But we have seen that 72 is less than 125. That means square of A is less than square of B. And so A must be less than B. If the square is less than A square is less than B square, then A must be less than B. That is root 72 is less than root of 125, and therefore 6 root 2 is less than 5 root 5. We will check another example. 8 root 3 and root of 192. So 8 root 3 can be written as root of 64 into root of 3 and root 192 as it is. So 64 into 3 is the answer. The answer of that number is 192. So root of 192 and root of 192. You can easily see that these two numbers are equal. But we are going to by the process. So by root 192 is equal to 192. So a square is equal to b square. That means a must be equals to b. And therefore root of 192 is equal to root of 192. And hence 8 root 2 is less than root of 192. Now next example we will see, and the example is 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. So 7 root 2 can be written as root of 49 multiplied by 2, and root of 5 root 3 can be written as root of 25 multiplied by 3. So 49 multiplied by 2 is root of 98, and 25 multiplied by 3 is 75. But we know that 98 is greater than 75. Therefore a square is greater than b square, and hence a is greater than b. So root 98 is, whether is it equal to or greater than? It is greater than root of 75, and therefore 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3.